Good morning mga shots. Good morning. Say good morning to them. Goy. Oh, don't hurt yourself. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's get up. Come on. Good morning mga shots. Ba, wala sa mo nang bibiyan ako. Come on, come on. Get up. Say good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Ay, naku, wala. Anak ko wala sa tamod ngayon. Agoy. Actually, kanina pa kami nagising mga shots. Naka ano na to siya, naka isang tulog na. Ayan, gising na naman ang bata. Okay, let's go. Yes. Luto tayo mga shots ng ating almusal. Almusal ng aking ng aking boss. My boss. Okay. Babe, you look serious, babe. What's that?
Oh, babe, I just got an online assignment, so I'm just doing that. Okay?
What assignment is that?
Typing.
For?
Typing 20 pages.
For what?
For some company. I'm just doing it now.
Late na masyado yung aming almusal. Alas 12 na. Mga tanghalian na tong aming pagkain.
She's what? What happened?
Cover your body. Ay, oh, hold it lang, hold it. Ayana, baby, that's not very nice. I just asked you to hold it. Why are you so grumpy today? Ha? Magluto ka lang, may nakasabit. Ayan na. Baby, what happened? Aray, ay, kalisod sa kinabuhi. Ang batang ito. Okay, you want to take a shower? Oh, mama will give you this. Ay, ayan na. Okay, mama will give you that. No. Mama will give you that. Oh, you want this? Okay. Be careful, it's hot. It's hot. Ako, siya yung masusunod. Ang bata. Ikaw na talaga yung bata. Ha? You want this one too? Ay, nako. Very nice. Nakukuhan niya muna ko. Ano yung muna ko? Ha? Pagkainin ko na itong breakfast. Kunin mo yung kanyang upuan. You want more coffee, babe? You good? You need more? Kainin ko muna. Okay, let's make daddy's milk. Kili-kili pa more. Expose yung kili-kili natin, oh. Ay, don't give me that, look. That's not very nice, Ayana. You're being so bossy na. Ha? You cannot get all you want, ha? Not every time you will get what you want. Have to listen. Mga bata ngayon, sila na yung nasusunod. Hindi maganda yan. Hindi nakakatuwa yan. Cover, chuchu, bibigyan na. Oo. Bibigyan na. Kuha mo mga t-shirt to ko. T-shirt niya yan, nakuha mo na. Kainin ko muna. Want breakfast? I did not make your eggs because I thought you're not going to eat. Yan na. Okay, let's eat na. Uy, itong bata, oh. Binta ko yung bata na to, oh. Nakahubad pa, oh, ang bata. Oh. You think what? Here's your fruits. Careful. Yummers? Isn't it yummy? Ay, sis ko niyo marimar niluwa na yung ano. Ang batang ito. Wait lang yan, ah. You like it? Okay. Naguluhan na siya kung ano niyang uunahin pagkain. Slowly. May patunog-tunog ka pa dyan. Patunog-tunog ka pa. Yum yum. Baby, you're wasting food. No wasting food. Ang gusto niya yan yung ano, peras. You like that one? Peras? Oh, patakla-takla pa siya. No. That's too much. Enough. That's not good for you. Nilaglag mo na nga yung pagkain mo eh. Okay, eating ba baby Yana? What's that, Yana? That's a good ham. Oh, careful. Kakatapos lang ng baby Ayana kumaligo. As you can see, mag-ano na yan siya. Magsha-shower. Matutulog na yan siya soon. Sana all. Ang ganda ng life. Kakain-kain, tutulog-tulog lang. No, baby Yana? Huh? What a beautiful life you have. Huh? Ito mo Ate Nicole. Si Ate Nicole. What's that? Yay! Fresh na kami! Si, tabi dyan ko. Agoy. Papaypay din siya. Papaypay din. Okay. Si, fresh na kami ng baby Yana. Fresh na yan. Oh, matamaan naman tayo niyan, baby Yana. That's so big. Put it down. Okay, let's go for a walk. Okay, bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Oh, flying kiss. Give them flying kiss. Where's the flying kiss? Oh, beautiful eyes. Show them the beautiful eyes first. Then bye-bye. Beautiful eyes. Agoy. Yun na nga lang yung aming video. Say thank you for watching. Baby Yana, say thank you for watching. Maligo na ako. Bye-bye. Agoy, Diyos ko na yung maramara.